Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the booking.com not confirmed. First, check your email and your app notifications for booking updates. Then make sure that the payment was successful. If the payment failed or is pending, the booking will not be confirmed. Next, go to the booking section in the app and check the reservation status. Sometimes confirmation takes a few minutes, so wait a few minutes and refresh the page. Now, if your booking still does not appear, contact the booking.com app support for help. Now, that's how you fix the booking.com booking not working confirmed. Subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.